Hey, what's going on guys? Andreas here. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the email marketing funnel. So if you're having a hard time understanding the importance of email marketing and the entire strategy around flows, campaigns, pop-up, pre and post-purchase emails, I can guarantee you after watching this video, everything will be much easier to understand. So with no further ado, let's jump straight into it. Alright, so here's the email marketing funnel. And I know it probably looks complicated, but trust me, it's not. After watching this video, this short video, I can guarantee you that you will have much better understanding of email marketing, and it all starts with the website visitor. Now, once someone visits your website, they're gonna see your pop-up. Please keep in mind, if you're managing email yourself, you want to have two pop-ups, one for desktop and one for mobile, and that's for like non-existing Klaviyo profiles. But if you have an agency or in-house team, you want to apply more pop-ups, some of the additional pop-ups that will collect the SMS data or zero-party data that you can use to personalize your welcome or cart betterment flow, and also the data you can use to better narrow and tailor your website copy or your email content. Now on your pop-up, you want to have some of the simple offers: 10% off, free shipping, gifted purchase, giveaway, or even a quiz. Now, once they see your pop-up, they're either gonna subscribe or they're not gonna subscribe. If they subscribe, they're gonna receive a welcome series. Now, in your welcome series, you want to have anywhere between 5 to 10 emails. If you have a larger brand with more products and more content, of course, you want to add few more, somewhere up to 12 or 13. And here's the evergreen email content structure that most of the brands follow, but instead of following this, my agency focus on solving following objections. Is this brand legit? Do their products work? And are there better options out there? Now, after they go through your entire welcome series, they're either gonna purchase or they're not gonna purchase. Now, after they purchase, they're gonna receive a customer thank you flow. And also, please keep in mind again, if you're managing email yourself, you want to have one customer thank you flow. But if you have an agency for this or in-house team, you want to have tailored, and you want to have conditional splits based on their level of interest. Of course, you want to split between first-time customers and repeat customers, and also for the most loyal customers. Now, once they purchase, they're gonna receive a customer thank you flow with basic thank you for the purchase email. Essentially the goal of this email is to remove buyer's remorse and also to make them excited about their purchase. So you want to give them some of the shipping updates, you want to educate them about how to use the product, you want to show them how to maximize results, you maybe want to ask them to follow you on social media, and then once they receive a product and once they use it, you want to ask for a review and of course initiate the second purchase. Now, sometime after their purchase, they're gonna receive replenishment flow, customer win-back flow, customer birthday flow, VIP for the most loyal customers, and also sunset flow for the non-engaged customers. Now, if they don't purchase on that welcome series, they're probably gonna click on your email, they're probably gonna browse through your website, and then they're gonna receive some of the site betterment, browser betterment, cart betterment, checkout betterment, or even back in stock flows. And same thing again, once they receive them, they're gonna read them, click them. Now the question is same, did they purchase? If yes, they're gonna receive a customer thank you flow, but if not, they're gonna be drawn into the campaigns. Usually you want to send anywhere between 1 to 3 campaigns per week. That's like the sweet spot for most e-commerce brands. And the way we approach campaigns is that 80% of our campaigns are non-discount campaigns, and other 20% is discount and promotional. Now, for non-discount campaigns, you want to have them educational and engaging and also fun to read. Now, here are some of the campaign examples and campaign ideas that you can use to run for your e-commerce brand. Frequently asked questions, how to, as seen in, promoting the best sellers, talking about some of the product features, inviting your subscribers to follow you on social media, talking about some of the myths in the industry or even some of the myths with your products, tips and tricks, and also some of the blog posts. Now, a part of the big holidays and big sales such as Black Friday, Christmas sale, Easter sale, and whatever, you want to have additional flash sales. Now, here are some of the flash sales we run at our agency: standard flash sale, mystery discount flash sale, wrong discount flash sale, happy hour flash sale, payday flash sale, free shipping flash sale, free gift flash sale, buy one get one free, or even buy one get one at certain percentage off flash sale, and of course SMS only flash sale. Look, now as I said, it's It looks complicated, but matter of fact, it's actually pretty simple once you understand it. But please keep in mind, this is the very basic stuff that you need to set up in order to get 20 to 30% of extra monthly revenue through your email channel. Of course, if you want to take it seriously, you need an agency that will create a tailored approach based on your brand and your product. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're an e-commerce founder or marketing manager who wants to scale and grow his e-commerce brand without spending a single dollar on ads, just by using the power of email and SMS marketing, down below this video will be a link. So just go ahead and book a 15-minute call with me and my team. We'll be happy to give you a free email account audit where we can show you some of the places where you're leaving a lot of money on the table, and of course present how we can fix that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.